Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a look at the big picture across the west, we have an area of low pressure off the California coast that is drawing up monsoonal moisture. You've noticed the clouds increasing today, and it's going to help trigger some thunderstorms for us in the days ahead. A fairly active stretch of weather for southern Oregon and northern California. We have some storms that have gotten going in Lake County, especially to the east of Lakeview. We've had a few showers with some of this cloud deck, but not a lot of that reaching the ground. We're going to be keeping an eye on things, though, especially this batch of storms down over the Sierra Nevada. We'll see how this propagates to the north and west as we head into this evening and tonight. There is the potential for thunderstorms even through the overnight hours, especially along and east of the Cascades. We have red flag warnings in place until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning for Siskiyou County and the Siskiyou Mountains. And then for the Cascades and east side, this goes until 9 p.m. tomorrow because we will get some more thunderstorm development tomorrow afternoon. Any storms that do develop will be capable of abundant lightning and new fire starts, and gusty winds could also be problematic with these storms for new and existing fires. The potential for thunderstorms tonight, even for the west side into the Rogue Valley. We can't rule out a thunderstorm into this evening and through the overnight hours. May even see some shower activity lingering for the kids heading to school tomorrow morning. Otherwise, very mild. Some smoke and haze out there as well. In the afternoon, it will be hot. Temperatures getting up into the upper 90s. We'll be making a run towards 100 degrees tomorrow in the Rogue Valley. When it comes to smoke, we're mainly going to be watching the west side for some at least minor air quality impacts, some bigger air quality impacts in western Siskiyou County, closer to where the Dillon and the Blue fires are burning. Here's a look at your forecast for Wednesday. Hot temperatures, the potential for more redevelopment of thunderstorms, especially along and east of the Cascades tomorrow afternoon. Here's Stormcast showing that potential for thunderstorms overnight and then into the early morning hours of tomorrow. We get a bit of a break, and then moving into the afternoon, especially along and east of the Cascades, some spotty thunderstorms developing, but we can't rule out a thunderstorm even for the west side, Jackson, Josephine, and down into Siskiyou County. And then as we head into Thursday, another impulse will trigger some more thunderstorms for southern Oregon and northern California. So staying awfully active for us. Better chances with some thunderstorms Thursday and Friday again for the Rogue Valley. Notice it does stay fairly hot through the rest of the week. In the basin, we'll be tracking thunderstorms in the days ahead. Bit of a lull in the action for the region on Sunday, but more storms to keep an eye on, storm systems to keep an eye on early next week, but temperatures won't be as hot. The coast watching for some wet weather next Monday, Tuesday. Can't rule out some showers Thursday and Friday. Northern California, chances for thunderstorms continuing in the days ahead, especially on Thursday. Notice the cool down this weekend. The basin, a stormy stretch of weather, that red flag warning in place for the east side through 9 p.m. tomorrow. The mountains also tracking thunderstorm potential right even into the start of the weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, it stays quite hot, the potential for thunderstorms, but notice that cool down, lower 80s early next week.